Welcome. In this video, we're breaking down the latest update on X, formerly known as Twitter, that lets you mute usernames from unfollowing accounts right from your PC. If you've ever wanted a little extra control over what appears in your feed, this feature is for you. Let's get started step by step. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel and click on the More icon. It's the circle with 3 little dots. This will open a short menu with several options. Next, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're inside, click on Privacy and Safety. This section holds all of your controls for how people can interact with you and what kind of content you see. Now, scroll down to Mute and Block. You'll find different tools here to manage who and what you'd like to avoid seeing in your timeline. Click on Muted Words to continue. Once you're in the Muted Words section, click the plus icon in the top right corner. That's where you'll add what you want to mute. In this case, type the @username of the account you want to mute. Make sure you include the @ before the username. That's important, or it won't register correctly. After typing in the username, you'll see several fields to customize how this mute behaves. Under Mute From, you can choose whether to mute from everyone or specifically from people you don't follow. To mute usernames from unfollowing accounts, select from people you don't follow. Next, under Duration, pick how long you want to mute that username. It could be 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or permanently. Choose what works best for you. Once everything looks good, click Save at the bottom of the window. That's it. You've successfully muted a username from unfollowing accounts using the new update on X for PC. With this quick tweak, your timeline will stay cleaner, quieter, and focused only on what matters to you.